Hello friend, welcome back to Auto Resource YouTube channel. I just did a reset of the tire pressures on this 2014 Volkswagen Jetta. So obviously this is one of the reasons, and there are many more, when you have to reset that tire pressure light. Let's go together in this car, see how this reset is done. And basically extremely simple to do. Volkswagen made it absolutely easy. So you will take the key, right? You put it in the ignition and you put it in the on position, right? And then here in glove box you have the reset button. I hope you can see it. It's right there. And you will push that and hold it. Did you hear that sound and different sound which sounded after like 3 seconds? That was basically the chime which was telling us that that reset was successful. So I will push on the brake pedal, I can start it, right? And I'm finished. Isn't this really easy? So my friend, make sure you are subscribed, because I will have way more videos about cars coming your way on this channel soon. Thanks for watching and have a good one.